Ganesha, the god of new beginnings, the remover of obstacles as well as the god of wisdom and intelligence, is worshipped on the Chaturthi day of Shukla Paksha in the Bhadrapada month. This festival, known as Ganesh Chaturthi or Vinayak Chaturthi, marks the arrival of Lord Ganesha to earth with his mother Parvati from Kailasa. This festival is close to everyone's heart and it's always a grand celebration for 5 to 10 days. Let's take a look at this year's Ganeshotsav. Ganesh Chaturthi or Ganesh Utsav brings a real mood of Utsav at home. The entire home is resonated with mantra and bhajans with the installation of Ganesh Murti made of clay. The floral and durva grass alankarams evinces the bhakti and the aroma of the Naivedyam lifts the spirit. Prana Pratishtha is followed by Shodashopachara Puja, that is 16 Upachara Puja. This is my favorite festival right from childhood and we never miss this Ganesh Puja at our home. It's around 200 years since my great-great-grandfather Sri Devarsha Shanai started this Ganeshotsav and his son Subraya Shanai and grandson Ramdas Shanai, my grandfather, and now my father Gopalakrishna Shanai and brother Sohan Shanai continues the tradition. My grandmother Srimati Ratta Shanai was very much fond of this puja that she used to motivate all of us to take part in the puja and Naivedyam preparation, especially coconut scraping for making appo, modak and panchkadai. We consider it as a great privilege. There were varieties of dishes prepared and served on plantain leaves for the Bhojana Priya. Chakuli, Patoli, Khotto, Godshe, Podi are to name a few. Another soul-touching aspect of the puja is relishing the food from the plantain leaf offered to Lord Ganesha. This prasadam called Devapan is normally offered to children of the family. This was another privilege for us when we were kids. Many family members offer prayers and special pujas like Palavani for small newborn kids, Mooda Ganapati making a replica of Ganesha with coconuts, Ranga Puja where special Naivedyams and Dakshina is offered to the devotees and the like.
श्री विघ्नहर्त्रे नमः उपानं समर्पयामि। श्रीमन्महागणपते नमः उपानं समर्पयामि। ओम श्री वरसिद्धिविनायकाय नमः उपानं समर्पयामि।
The entire atmosphere is filled with bhajans and kirtans and aarti is performed both in the noon and evening. Ganesh Visarjan takes place next, marking the end of the festival. Ganesh Murti is taken to the Tulsi plant and Kumkum water known as Latte Udda is prepared. Everyone prays to the reflection of Lord Ganesha into the Kumkum water. This is supposed to destroy all ill effects and evils. The Yajmani or the main lady of the house splashes or hurls the kumkum water aside, symbolizing the destruction of evils. Ganesh Visarjan implies the immersion of Ganapati idol in river, sea or any other water body, usually wells attached to their homes. This symbolizes the life cycle of birth, life and death. So the idol is ritualistically immersed in water so that it may break down to clay from where it came. This special Sindura Ganesha belongs to my in-laws family, and this is now offered in the name of my father-in-law Sri UK Gopalakrishna Nayak to Venkatramana Temple Udupi for performing puja. We also offer a puja to the silver Ganesha at a residence in Salem, and we offer Panchamrit Abhishekam on this Ganesh Chaturthi day. This is Mooda Ganapati Puja performed at Sri Lakshmi Venkatramana Temple, Uppunda. These video clips are from the puja performed at the residence of Sri V. Vasudeva Shanai, Chirakkal, Kannur. Let's now take a look at the Ganesh Puja at Sri Vitoba Temple, Payanur. Following the COVID protocol, a group of Mahila volunteers gathered and prepared around 28 varieties of Naivedyam for the puja. The Visarjan Aarti is performed by the Pradhanarchak and Purohit Vedamurti Nagar Ganapati Bhatt. The interesting story behind Ganesh Visarjan is that Lord Ganesha is sent to join his parents in Kailasha. It's also believed that Ganesha takes away all obstacles and brings in prosperity. May Lord Ganesha remove all the obstacles and evils and fill our lives with prosperity, health and happiness. Ganapati Bappa Moria.